Hello, YouTube land. This is Love, Peace, and Happiness, the hair guru. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just coming at you here with a piece that I got for when I am making toppers, or you can do a wig with it as well. It's actually a frontal piece, or some people refer to them as lace closures, I believe. But this is a new company. I'm not affiliated. I never ordered through these people or had anyone that I know order. I just went by some reviews that I saw before purchasing, and it was a success so far. The customer service was excellent. This package, I was in excellent communication with the woman that I purchased this from. I believe it's a woman. I'll link everything in the description below. It looks like it came from China. She was sweet as ever. Excellent communication. The package was shipped. My fault. It would have been here a day early. It was roughly 3 days to get here by UPS. The reason it was my fault, I didn't realize the signature was needed. That was a failure to do my homework. So they delivered it the next day to my home, which wasn't a problem. Had I saw that, I probably just could have signed ahead of time or checked the box to let them know, but everything came through. The packaging, there was nothing wrong with it. I'm just showing you how it came, no damage, and it was right outside. So this is the first time I'm opening it. I just snipped the top and just showing you the inside of this. Now, I'm probably going to have to bleach the knots to make it look a little more realistic so that you don't see those little black knots when it's up against anyone's hair. Look at the packaging it comes in. I was definitely pleased with this. I've never seen a really cool zip bag like this. It came with this awesome free gift. This is a little mirror. I was actually very impressed with this as well. It came in. Everything looks nice. As I open this up, I'll show you. It has a nice little knob that you push in to open up the compact. And hey, who couldn't use a compact with 2 mirrors? The piece that I have is a 16-inch lace closure. Like I said, I'm probably going to have to bleach the knots, and I will also have to trim the lace in the front and tweeze a little bit in the hairline. Now it's just picture time of the brochure. I'm just showing you all the paperwork that comes with the piece that I got. On it, it has their website. I'll link all that stuff below, and just showing you that each page. And then I'm going to do a couple snippets of each. That way you can see exactly what is on that. If you want to pause it, you can, just take a look and read it. I believe this with shipping, I want to say, I'll put all the details, the price that I paid below. I think it was a little more than $20 some. Here's the pictures that I'm going to include in the brochure. This is exactly what the brochure looks like, with one of those little digital code things below that you can go right to the website that way. This just shows you all the products they have in there, which is kind of cool. All the feedback. You can actually have these designed, I guess, for yourself. If you want to make it like personalized and put your logo or name on it, they'll do that. They'll put it right on the bag, I guess, for you, it looks like. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to take a look and make sure that there's no smell, which I was pretty pleased. The plastic, obviously, that it comes in, that little zipper bag, it's a plastic smell. It's not anything that is going to transfer onto the hair. So the hair didn't have any smell to it. The hair quality, they say it's virgin, unprocessed hair. And it's hard to tell until you start, bleaching the knots. But just from the feel of it, being a licensed cosmetologist, it feels like it. But then again, other hair felt like it too. So we'll see once we do it. But I'm pretty pleased. This is a free part. I did the measuring on the actual lace part, and it looks like I'll include those measurements. I think it's 4 inches, including that little bit of lace in the front, by 3.5 I'll do that exact measurement. The length of it, though, I will tell you, and I have a little tape measure out, that is definitely on par with exactly what they said. It's 16-inch stretched, so it's exactly what it said. You know, give or take like a hair, but it definitely was on. The lace was soft, definitely not cheaply made, and it looks like everything was hand tied on there. Good quality. The hair, no tangles. Once I bleach the knots and shampoo it, I'll get a better feel on how the hair is, and I'll do a review on that as well, and how it bleached and how easy it was to do that part. But I really am impressed with how fast it came, the customer service, how fabulous that was, and just the overall quality of the hair. So I'm just showing you, I'm going to try to split it here. That way you can just see what the parting looks like, the space. I'll show you what the knots look like and how I have to make that look a little more realistic. That's not a big deal. I actually prefer to do that myself. But look at that. That's pretty decent. I mean, if you really didn't want to bleach the knots, you don't have to. If you have a little bit of hair on the top, you can just, you know, do it that way. You can work with it without, but I like to do it for a natural look. So I'll include another video that will have me bleaching the top portion of it and what I do and how, and my consistency of the product when I apply it. That way you can see every little bit of that makes a huge difference. Here you have my trusty tape measure confirming that this is 16 inches, just like they said. So far, we are at a win-win here with these guys. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this group as far as ordering, how fast the shipping time was, the length it says it's going to be. It looks like it's unprocessed virgin hair. I want to say yes. I won't know until I actually start the bleaching of the knots. Everything else looks awesome. Very happy with these people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that little bell notification. You can be updated on any time I do a new experiment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.